Hello everyone, welcome to Blue Cube channel. In this video, we change the background of the video by removing the green screen, and we also replace a desired video or photo as the background. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I recommend that you subscribe so that you can see the next tutorials. First of all, you need to know why we use green background. This is because it doesn't match any skin tone or natural hair color, so it can easily be removed without taking out parts of the person in the foreground. Also, to get the best result, try to make sure that the green screen does not have wrinkles and adjust the lights so that the light is distributed evenly. In this video, I am talking. First, I hide the additional areas of the video that I don't need by masking. So I click on the video layer and create a mask using the pen tool and clicking. In this way, a mask is created that hides the extra parts of background. Now I apply the keylight effect to the video from the effect panel and presets in the keying menu. In the settings of this effect, I sample the green color of the background using screen color and selecting the dropper. In this way, the green color of the background is removed. But if you look carefully, the color of this section is different, which should be corrected. Also, the edges should be corrected. So I go back to the effect settings. Screen gain value is 100 by default, and changing its value adjusts the background display. Also, the value of screen balance is 50 by default, and by changing its value, we can adjust the balance of the screen. But we don't need to change these right now, so I'll leave them back to their defaults. In the view menu, we can choose different display modes. I choose the screen matte option, which improves the separation of the subject from the background. In this case, the black color shows the removed areas of the image and the white color shows the visible areas of the image. Now we can change their value to get a perfect image. In the screen matte section, I open the clip black and clip white options. By increasing the value of clip black, the black color in the image becomes blacker and expands to remove areas and extra colors. Also, by reducing the value of clip white, the white color in the image becomes whiter and expands so that the subject is better visible in the image. You can see that the white color increases in the hair. Note that the value of these numbers may be different for each video and image, which should be set in the same way. Now, from the view menu, I select the final result option to see the final result. This way you can see that the background is pretty well removed, but the job is not done yet. If the transparency option is not enabled, activate it by pressing this button. Now I go back to the project panel to add a video as a background. I put it as the bottom layer. You can add any video or image. In this way, we remove the green screen and replace this video. But I want the edges working to improve a little. So I select the green screen layer again and go back to the effect control panel. Using the screen shrink and grow option, we can reduce or increase the edges to get a more suitable image. For this image, I set the value to -0.2. And for the softness of the edges, I set the value of screen softness to -0.1. This way, we get the best possible result using these settings. I press the space button to play the video. Most of the time, it is necessary to match the light and color of the subject image with the background so that the video looks more natural. To correct the light and color of the image, I select the green screen layer and close the keylight effect drawer so that the effect control panel is not too crowded. Now, from the effects panel and the color correction menu, I select and apply the brightness and contrast effect. I try to match the light and color of the subject with the background by changing the brightness and contrast. Finally, I press the space button to watch the video. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the end. Please like the video and leave a comment for me. Subscribe to see more tutorials. See you next time.